One sunny morning, Elsa, Kristoff, and their young daughter, Lila, decided to go on a special adventure. They had heard stories about a magical crystal hidden deep in the heart of an enchanted forest. It was said that whoever found the crystal could make a wish, and the crystal would grant it. But the forest was filled with mysterious challenges, and only the bravest adventurers could reach it. Elsa, with her ice magic, was excited to discover new powers, while Kristoff knew the forest well and could guide them through it. Little Lila was curious and ready to explore, though she was a bit nervous. The family packed their things and set off on the journey. They walked through a bright meadow where flowers danced in the breeze and birds sang beautiful songs. As they entered the forest, the trees grew taller, their branches weaving together to form a natural tunnel. Elsa smiled and made a snowflake float in the air, her magic sparkling around them. Soon, they came to their first challenge, a wide river with fast-moving water. The family needed to cross, but the river was too deep to walk through. Kristoff knelt down and said, "We'll need something strong to get across." He took a long rope from his bag and tied it to a tree on each side of the river. Then, he found a large branch and placed it across the rope to create a bridge. Elsa used her ice magic to make the branch even stronger, freezing it in place. One by one, they crossed safely, with Lila holding Elsa's hand tightly. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they faced more challenges. They had to climb steep hills, find their way through thick fog, and avoid tricky vines that seemed to reach out and grab their legs. At each challenge, Elsa's ice magic helped. She made ice steps for them to climb, and even created a small ice slide to help them down the hill. Kristoff taught Lila how to stay calm, be brave, and trust her instincts. "Courage is not about being fearless," he explained. "It's about doing what's right, even when you're scared." After hours of walking, the family reached the heart of the forest. There, in the middle of a glowing clearing, stood a tall stone pedestal with a beautiful crystal resting on top. The crystal shimmered in the light, its glow casting a soft, calming warmth around the area. Elsa stepped forward, and as she reached out to touch it, she felt a surge of power. The crystal responded to her touch, glowing brighter, and for a moment, she felt her ice magic grow stronger. But then, a loud rumble shook the ground. The forest began to change. The trees swayed, and shadows crept across the clearing. The crystal, it seemed, was not just a gift, it was a test. A deep voice echoed through the air. "To take the crystal, you must prove your heart is pure."